President Advocate Nelson Chamisa to launch book titled Citizenocracy, focusing on leadership by and for the citizens. Sanavina mashoko obuda panguva ino achitsagurwa pamusoro book launch yoda kuitwa naAdvocate Nelson Chamisa panguva ino pataona kuti we are now ahead of the 2028 elections. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna njeri domdanyira chiti in a significant development for Zimbabwean politics in the academic space. President Nelson Chamisa has authored a thought-provoking book titled Citizenocracy, which emphasizes the crucial theme of leadership by and for the citizens. Set to be launched soon, the book aims to redefine the political and leadership landscape of Zimbabwe by placing citizens at the forefront of governance. In today's message on his Chamisa news channel, the President Chamisa expressed his enthusiasm for the upcoming release, declaring it a must-read for all Zimbabweans. The concept of citizenocracy, first introduced by Chamisa in 2022, represents a revolutionary shift away from the traditional leader-center model that has characterized Zimbabwean politics for decades. In previous leadership systems in Zimbabwe, decision-making was often concentrated in the hands of a few leaders, leaving the majority of citizens feeling excluded from the political process. Dr. Chidarikire observes that citizenocracy seeks to empower individuals from all walks of life, politicians, civil society members, church leaders, corporate executives, academics, vendors, students, and workers to take an active role in shaping their governance and communities. President Chamisa's book will explore practical strategies for enhancing civic engagements and accountability, encouraging citizens to participate in decision-making processes that affect their lives. By inviting diverse perspectives, President Chamisa aims to foster a more inclusive political dialogue and bridge the existing divide within society. In anticipation builds for its release, Citizenocracy promises to serve as a guide for cultivating a more participatory democracy in Zimbabwe, urging citizens to reclaim their agency and contribute meaningfully to the nation's future. I'm doing so. President Chamisa envisions a government that leadership spaces that truly reflect the will and the needs of its people, marking a new era of leadership in Zimbabwe politics. Domashoko ari kuda panguva ino pamusoro the book launch. Aiwa, iri kuda kulonchwa naAdvocate Nelson Chamisa ichaunita magaro ese munyika yeZimbabwe. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi muna comment section yedu mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.